Oh, oh, what is this? Wow. Let's start with the crab along this jetty here, I think. Yeah, it's not a bad idea actually, using top. Let's try a little dartwing. Let's try this Nomad dartwing, shall we? Alright, good morning everyone. Today we're at Patonga. Now I'm actually here for a bit of a family getaway. Not really any serious fishing, but bought the Hobie, so I took advantage. Got up early this morning and I was cruising along out here yesterday on a cruise and noticed this rock wall behind me all along there, and I thought, oh, that looks deep. That had brim and dew probably, but it's no more than a metre. So I've had a couple of flicks on top, nothing. So I'm gonna head up Patonga Creek. It's pretty much where we're camping, so I kind of wasted an hour this morning having a look, but anyway, don't really know the area, so we'll head up Patonga Creek. It's about 1.5 kilometres away, so probably get there at another half an hour or so. But yeah, stay tuned guys, and we'll see what we can do. Alright, I'm coming through the creek now. It's a little bit shallow here, hopefully I get through. Might have to go a bit wider here. Oh, yeah, I'm hitting the bottom. Just go a bit wider over here. Coming in hot. Ooh, catching a wave here. Wow, it's deep here. Jesus Christ. 3 meters. No deeper. Yep, I'm on. First fish of the day, it's going to be a flathead. On the Daiwa Prawn. Doesn't feel too big. Oh. Hasn't woken up yet. Yeah, I just found this really... Oh, he's actually not a bad fish. Yeah, nice. He'd be a nice eating size for sure. Oh, I'm only using light line. 6 pound. Oh, he's a nice fish. Yeah, beauty. There he goes. Oh, God. He's actually close to 50, this one. Hopping it on the bottom. I've gone right up the creek and I found 3 meters just along this corner here, which I didn't think I was going to find any deeper spots, and then yeah, nice flatties jumped on him, on the prawn. Alright, Mr. Flathead, time to get off. He's he's definitely not a bad fish. I don't have lip grips with me. I do not have lip grips. I didn't come prepared because I'm not on a fishing trip. He's probably 45, I reckon. Beautiful flathead. I reckon he's bigger than 45. He'd be close to 50, that one. Beautiful. Yeah, I've gone fairly far up the creek and I was expecting not to find anything deeper. But yeah, I found that nice deep patch. There's a 3 meter drop off here and I reckon there's a few more to be caught. So we'll keep fishing. It's pretty exciting. See if there's any more along here. It's a nice spot, that's for sure. I do not have the right gear today either. Like, I've got a 2000 Daiwa reel on a 6'8", 2 to 4 with like 6 pound line, 6 pound leader. Not ideal, but we're gonna make do with what we've got today. Oh, oh, what is this? Wow, zoomed off. So, I wonder if it's a flatty or a Jew, even. Wow, flatty zoomed off. Just picked it up like it was a bloody Jew. Might be a nice little table fish in this little deep pocket, eh? Producing the goods. Oh, I like this new Daiwa prawn. There we go. Wow. There he is. A little small guy, but he'd be illegal if you wanted to feed a fish. Wow. Forget. Oh, for a second I thought it was a Jew he took off. Yeah, there it is, that little Daiwa prawn. New flick prawn. This is in the watermelon red. Just sort of matching the watercolor here. And they really like that red sparkle, I've noticed, from time to time. I'm running low, but that's the packet there. It's the new bait junkie prawn. 3-inch in the watermelon red. And at the moment, I'm using a 1/4 ounce jig head just to get it down there on the bottom. But I reckon that's not the only 2 there, hey? I reckon there's a few more. The tides come in, I reckon they bite so much better on the run in, on the run out, sorry. See, there's that prawn. Look at it flick. I'm just flicking it down there on the bottom. Yeah, that's really natural, hey? I don't have really the right jig head with me. I've literally got, this is my last 1/4 ounce. I brought like not much tackle, so I didn't really come prepared. Sort of a casual getaway, but I thought I'd have a quick fish this morning, and yeah, it's paying off so far up this creek. This is one little pocket here that's like 3 meters and there's fish there. That's crazy. Yep, got him. There's a third. It doesn't feel as big, this one. Oh, he's not bad actually. He's not bad at all. Oh, he's a good fish. It's a good one. He's a good one. There we go. Got him.
What is it?
It's a good flathead.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Very nice. He is, yeah, look at that. He's 52 or 51 and a half. Not a bad fish at all. Off he goes. This prawn is doing the damage, hey? Wow. I'm really risking it going 6 pound. All my rods are rigged up with 6. I wasn't really, you know, expecting flathead up here. I was just going to chase brim on top. That's cool. A little pocket, eh? That's number 3. I wonder how many more I can get. Yep. Oh, this is number 4. Wow. Feels pretty much the same size as the rest. Maybe a bit smaller than those high 40s, low 50s. They're all good eating size though, if you want to keep a feed. Oh. Beautiful. Oh, did you see that? There was a big one following it. Oh my god. Wow. It was at least 60. Oh, look. Oh my god. Oh my god, is he gonna eat it? Or is he trying to get the lure out? Oh my god, did you see that? Huge. 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 Oh, is he gonna come back? Oh, that was a big flathead. Big flathead. Oh, let's get you in, mate. Oh. Little flatty. Off you go. Wow. Wow. That was a big flathead. Must have been like 60. Probably bigger. I reckon it'll be 70, that one. Yep. Small. I'll see if that big one follows it again, eh? See a big one. He's a small bugger. Another good table. Another good table fish. It's probably just legal actually, but still, they make good table fish. There he is. Another good fish. Yep. There we go. Finally. It was a bit of a slow slump there. Oh, we swallowed that. Feel the line rubbing. I don't know if he's a bit better, maybe. Yeah, he's a bit better. Yeah, he's better. Yeah. He's really thrashing around, eh? Come on. I've only got like 6 pound. Oh, he's not bad. Look at him. Yeah, he's a good fish. He's a cracker. He's in the 60s. Ooh, on the prawn. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Oh, ooh. It's not a bad fish at all. It's probably a bit smaller than the one chasing I made before, but he's all right. He's 60, that's for sure. God, they're not good in nets, I'm telling you what. Flathead. Oh, straight in. Oh. Oh, wow. That is a good flathead. He'd be probably on 60, I'd say. There he is. Nice lizard. On the Daiwa prawn. Just, yeah, found that deep patch of them, and that's number 7 now, so that's cool. You. On that prawn. Watermelon red. Get him off for you. Get him back in the water. There we go. Nice croc for you. I reckon he'd be very close to 60, that one. Don't have any lip grips, doesn't help. Where is he? Going somewhere. Well, I might have 1 or 2 more drifts through there. But yeah, the Daiwa prawn, eh? Working a treat. That's it there. Little watermelon red. Very nice. And that's 7 flathead in that same spot. That's cool. Really cool. Yep. Ooh. Big fish, I think. Big fish. I don't know. Took off like a rocket. Nah, he's just hooked funny. Ooh. He's just hooked funny. Oh, he's had a go at it though. He would have had a go at it. You're only a little guy. Off you go. Ah, got me. Got me right at the end there. Go up in that sand there. Oh, yep. What the hell? I cast it up on the edge there. Yeah, right. There you go. I didn't think I was going to get one. It looked really shallow up there. Another dusky. He's engulfed that prawn. Can't even see it. Oh, he smashed it. Oh. Alright. You caused a bit of pain there, mister. Off you go. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. A little quick session today. Yeah, got about 10 or 11 flathead. All in that new Daiwa prawn, that plastic. That was working a treat. Just hopping it down the ledge, and yeah, they're all over it. It's good to just go back to basics for a change and just, you know, catch flathead on plastics. So I quite enjoyed that, to be honest. Something different. Well, not something different, it's just something I don't usually do anymore. So it's good to, you know, have a bit of a refresh on that. Hopefully I can get out more. It is September, so the bass season is gonna kick off very shortly for me. So next weekend is the weekend, hopefully. So yeah, let's see if I can get onto some bass. So stay tuned for that. But anyway, see you in the next one.